Valleys. A valley is a very long depression which is between two highlands or mountains. Valleys can either be V shaped or U shaped. A V shaped valley is formed in the upper course of the mountains. When the rivers they originate in glaciers and they flow down the mountains, cutting down the slopes of the mountains, which are made up of hard rocks. Therefore, a V shaped valley is very steep. During this stage, the rivers flow very swiftly as they are flowing from an upland region, or the rivers are dropping from a height, cutting both the sides of the mountains. Such a V shaped valley is formed by the Colorado River of Arizona. In India, such a V shaped valley is found in Dhauliganga Valley in the Himalayas near Joshimath. Another type of valleys are called as gorges or canyons, which are also called as eye-shaped valleys, which are also formed in the upper course of the rivers in the mountainous regions, where the rocks are extremely hard and very resistant to the action of river water. It is very difficult for the rivers to cut down the sides of the mountains. So these valleys are highly vertical, as most of the energy of the river is spent in downward cutting. Such an example of eye-shaped valleys which is found in India is in Gandikota in Andhra Pradesh and Marble Rocks near Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh. Another type of valleys are the U-shaped valleys, which are U in shape, and they are formed in the middle course of a river where the gradient or the height decreases. Here, the river flows little slowly and widens the banks as there is more erosion. Such a valley has steep sides and a wide bed in the center. It can even be formed by the action of glaciers. When the glaciers move down the valleys, it erodes the bed and widens the floor of the river. So basically, U shaped valleys are wide valleys. An example of U shaped valleys are the Yosemite valleys of California. Such valleys are even found in Alps as well as in Himalayas. Hanging valleys, there are also spectacular features which are associated with glaciers and U shaped valleys. They are formed by the tributaries of the rivers which meet the main glacier. Generally, the main glacier or the main river erodes a very deep U shaped valley, but it also has many tributaries. These tributaries also have their own valleys which fall into the main glaciated valley. Therefore, they seem and appear to be hanging. The tributary or the hanging valleys are higher than the floor of the main valley. Therefore, they seem to be hanging. Johana Falls or Gautam Dhara Falls of Ranchi in Jharkhand is an example of hanging valleys in India. A waterfall is a sudden and vertical or steep fall of a river or a stream over a steep rocky edge into the bed of a river.